Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Dr. Brent Thierry of Total Spine Health and Injury Center, your Maple Grove chiropractor. Now, unfortunately, accidents and injuries are a part of life. Whether it's by a fall, a car accident, a sports injury, or really any other way, a large number of accidents result in injuries to different areas of our body, like the back, knees, neck, and shoulders. Now, following an injury, we tend to focus solely on feeling better, but our biggest concern should really be proper healing. What's the maximal improvement we can expect and achieve in terms of healing, and how close can we get to where we were before our injury? Now, unfortunately, when we neglect to receive the proper treatment for our injuries, we put ourselves at a greater risk for chronic pain, disability, and further injuries down the road. So let's outline 3 of the top reasons you should seek treatment after an injury. So first is to restore proper spinal alignment and joint function. Chiropractors are experts in body alignment and joint health, and spinal alignment is important as even subtle changes can affect the important communication and signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Interruptions or distortion of the nervous system can lead to pain and impaired function overall. And when spinal misalignments are corrected following an injury, normal function is restored and proper healing can take place in the recovery process. Now, the second reason to receive treatment is for fully optimal tissue healing and repair. Correctly addressing the structural deficits that have occurred within the spine is critical to treatment, but soft tissue health is the other critical aspect to maximal health and healing. Now, when tissues such as muscles, tendons, and ligaments are damaged, the body produces scar tissue to support the injured areas. Unfortunately, these healing efforts are often far from the original soft tissue in terms of strength and flexibility. So an important part of optimal tissue healing is promoting the correct remodeling of these tissues after the development of scar tissue. So proper treatment, including chiropractic adjustments, therapeutic massage, and correct instruction in exercise and stretching will give the body the necessary input needed for optimal tissue repair. And finally, receiving treatment following an injury will set you up for the best outcomes for long-term health. Now, seemingly insignificant symptoms can often progress to chronic problems, so ignoring the initial signs of underlying dysfunction can have detrimental effects if not addressed early and correctly. The most effective approach is dealing with problems in the correct manner right from the start. The other unfortunate reality is that when tissue is damaged, it rarely regains 100% of its previous health and integrity, which means that we are more susceptible to injury if we're involved in a trauma down the road. In fact, one of the primary factors in whether an individual suffers an injury when involved in an accident is if that area has previously been compromised. So by seeking proper treatment, we can improve the end healing product and reduce the potential for additional injuries in the future. So when you are injured, take the necessary steps to feel better as soon as possible, but also get the proper treatment so you can boost the potential for your overall recovery. Injuries can commonly affect the structures of the spine, resulting in damaged soft tissues, spinal misalignments, and altered movement patterns. These effects can often lead to pain, decreased function, and a decreased quality of life. Treatment from a qualified chiropractor can often help reduce symptoms in the short term while addressing proper healing in the long term, and really should be the preferred choice of care for improved health outcomes and feeling your best.